Now, let's identify and graph the polar equation. Here we have r equals 4 plus 3 sine theta. And then we use decimals. We input r of theta equals 4 plus 3 sine theta. Here we know we have r, and here we know in the bracket we have a theta. This tells us that r is the function of theta. For different value of theta, we'll have a different radians. For example, when theta is 0, you have a sine 0 is 0. Then 3 times 0, you then have a 0, and 0 plus 4. So you know when theta is 0 degrees, you have r is 4. That's why you have this point right here. And here, that's for the coordinate, is for xy coordinate. Here is not really the polar one, but you know, accidentally here it looks like the first one is the radians, the second one is the angle, which is 0. But actually here is for the xy coordinate. So when you have a theta is 0, you do have r is 4. That's this point. And then when you have the theta is pi over 6, you plug in right here. Pi over 6 is 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is 1/2. And 3 times 1/2 is 1.5. 1.5 plus 4 is 5.5. So when theta is pi over 6, this angle, pi over 6, then you have a radians is 5.5. You see this point. Here is 5, here is 6. So you have here is 5.5. And then similarly you can do is when the angle is pi over 3, you then have the radians is 6.5. Again, here is 5, here is 6, and here will be 6.59 something from here origin to this place. Again, here is xy coordinate, not really is the polar coordinate. Okay, it tells you here the x coordinate is this much, 3.3 approximately, from here, from origin to here. And the y coordinate is 5.7 something. Here's 5, and here is 6, 5.7 something is here. So here the point really shows up is xy coordinate. For the polar coordinate, it's really here is pi over 3. You then have a radians is 6.59 something. So basically you can use decimals to find out all of the points. It goes in this way, okay? You see? And then you can see here, this intersection is not really on the origin. is below the x-axis. Now check the picture. This intersection is not on the origin. This one is on the origin. And this one, those two are not matched because our picture is symmetric with respect to y-axis. So those two does not match. Only this one matches to the graph, to the function of this one. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time.